today in the society, what is the public perception? How do public expect police to behave? In fact, always there is a subject at the training institute regarding human behavior and leadership. This is the one important aspect of the training which has been done. Now, considering all these incidents which have been taken place, all of you all know what is the law. The same law applies to the policemen if they exceed to their limit and do the excesses on the public. Police are not exception. In fact, all of you are well aware, the 166 and 166A, even FIR is not recorded in certain serious offences, there will be a directly offence against the police officer, the SHO. 166 deals with disobedience of the law or not following the law which is laid down. And 166A, it is very critical against the police officer for not recording the FIR under 154 in serious offences which have been highlighted after the Verma Commission report and the special enactment came into force, that is POCSO. So, police are not the exception. Police are also liable along with the public for similar type of acts. First of all, act of commission or omission forbidden by the law needs to be punished. So there is no exception. This is applicable to everybody.
Sir, we have a total of 91 Goa police officers present here, including 5 DYSP rank officers, 11 PIs, and the rest of them are the sub-inspectors. They are deployed in various units, be it in traffic, to each and every rank, right up to the rank of constable. We intend to cover each and every staff of Goa Police with respect to soft skills and behavioral and psychological training. I would like request DGP sir to address the gathering and formally inaugurate this weekly course.
One bad incident has the potential to spoil the good work of one entire year. And somehow the tendency is that you do 100 good work, they are forgotten, and you do one bad thing, that is remembered. We solve criminal cases, we recover lost children or kidnapped people, we protect the life and property of lakhs of citizens in Goa. In traffic accidents, as compared to last year, 67 less number of people have died this year. In a way, those 67 lives have been saved. All that is forgotten by one bad incident. And I do not blame anyone for this. We ourselves have to be blamed. We have to carry out some introspection and understand why can't we keep our cool in adverse circumstances. In police duty, there will be numerous instances where you will be confronted by the public. The public can be agitating crowd. It could be people who take law in their own hands or criminals. It could be one individual or a mob. How to deal with them has been prescribed in law, has been prescribed in various training manuals, and I'm sure must have been taught to all of you in your police training. I will not be willing to accept that that was not taught to you. If that be so, then it's a very glaring mistake. But somehow these lessons are forgotten, and some misguided policemen start behaving in a dabang style. Now what happens in movie, just leave it to the movie world only. Somehow some of these dabang movies were made in Goa with a Goa background. Singham, dabang, no, not Singham. I am sorry, that was a mistake. Not dabang, but Singham style. And one more movie in which when a police officer takes law in their own hands and does all kinds of funny things. But that is a movie world. Don't take it seriously. Don't take it to your heart and start behaving in that same fashion. We are all bound by laws, procedure, and there are institutions which are supposed to supervise and deal with any misconduct. And I have decided that in future, if there is an incident, the first consequence will be the registration of a criminal case against that police personnel himself according to the law. The second would be immediate suspension and departmental inquiry for major punishment. And for me, the major punishment in such a case would be straight away dismissal. So if you don't love your job, if you don't want the job and want to indulge in such malpractice, you are doing it at your own risk. And any officer who shows leniency with such a delinquent officer, that officer will also be dealt with severely, and an adverse entry would be made in his ACR that he has been tolerating or being lenient with such a misconduct by his subordinate. The SDPOs will also have to face the music for not able to control the staff under their command, and the heat will be felt by the SP himself and other functionaries involved in the function.